Welcome back, guys. In today's video we're going to be finishing off the rear diffuser by painting it and putting a lacquer on it and hopefully get it fitted on. Yeah, so let's see how it goes.
Okay, so guys, after the painting, first coat is dried, so what we're just going to do is sand it down a bit and give it another coat. So Halfords, yeah? If you're watching this, or anybody works at Halfords or whatever, please, can you change the nozzles of the can to a fan one? This here is just like a jet, and it just makes it awful. Can you see this? Can they see it? Can they see it now?
Yeah.
They see it now. Yeah, cool. So if you're watching it, can you please change the nozzle of the can, please? Makes painting so much easier and nicer. But that's it. Apart from that, Halfords, good job. Keep up the good work. It's not as nice now, is it?
Huh?
It's not as nice now.
It's alright, I'm going to do another paint job, innit?
No, that's it, bro. I'm gonna go on a car like that.
Wow.
That's a project car for you, yeah?
Yeah, sure.
That's how it's meant to be, bro. Beautiful. Yeah, man. It's alright. We're good.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Hi guys, welcome back. It's been now a couple of days. As you can see, the weather's not on our side to be working outside. We've now taken the bumper off of my car, and if you want to see how we did that, go check out our other video that we shot previously. So now we are ready to fit on the new diffuser that we finished painting on the last video. And yeah, enough of the waffling, and let's go.
There we go. Voila, done. One diffuser off. Right. Do you want to get the honours and get your new one?
Yeah, sure, man.
Let's see how it doesn't fit.
Don't say that. Really.
Well, just stick that there for a minute. Don't say that.
Oh, boy, it looks banging.
Banging.
Come on.
Right.
Wait, because that's got to go in there first. The edit's got to go in there.
it's shrunk.
Yeah, something. Same thing here.
In you go. Look at that. Yeah, don't worry, we'll have to push that in and then fix it in.
Yeah, you're right, but it's shrunk or something.
Yeah, it doesn't shrink. It was how it was last time because I clamped it in from behind, didn't I?
Oh yeah, you did.
So we have to do that again.
Cool.
We have to push, clamp, and then drill and bolt.
Yeah, sounds good.
Because the clips, there's no clips on it. So we have to figure out how to.
Clamp and bolt at the same time.
Well, yeah. Somehow. What? That was there.
Yeah, no.
That's when you reversed into something.
We don't talk about that on the camera, bro.
You got parking sensors as well.
Look, mention about that too.
You have parking sensors, yeah, and you still reversed into something. So guys, we fit it on as best as we can at the minute. So we're gonna be. Okay, guys. So we've fit it on. We've temporarily clamped it on here for the minute, just so we can just hopefully, because there's no clips on these. So I'm planning to just literally just drill and bolt or self-tappet screws, something like that. Yeah, then hopefully it stays on. Or otherwise we're going to be zip tying. Yeah.
Nah, man, fuck that.
Proper AD budget bill style zip ties, yeah? No, I'm joking. We're gonna fit it on properly, so it doesn't come flying off down the road. So guys, we are at B&Q now because we needed a tool to drill the holes in for the diffuser on the bumper. So now we have picked up a right angle drill chuck thing, as they called them. Don't know. And some spring washers, because I know somebody's gonna grill me for that one if I don't put any on. Right, so now we're gonna look for some spring washers. Nah, bro, they're gonna be down here. Let's take a walk. Ah, down here, bro. There he is.
Okay.
Say hi to the camera. The washers are somewhere. They're bolts. Ah, washers. No. Look on the board.
Yeah, man, I'm trying.
We're such a noobs at this.
Fuck B&Q.
I don't know, bro. They might be down here somewhere, no?
Spring nuts, yeah?
Yeah.
I don't think they. Oh, there you go.
There. That's what we want.
So,
some of those.
J, somewhere J.
Oh, now we're getting somewhere. No, they're too big. Ah, here we go. Wow. I'm sorry, how many did you get?
That's enough for us. 10.
Yeah, but...
Yeah, it's budget builds. Nah, man, that's not 3 cents. £2, something.
No. Oh yeah, okay. £2.07.
Wow, says the guy.
For 10.
24/7.
I don't come here 24/7. You get 10. 10. Okay. Okay, that's it then. Say bye.
See you guys there.
So guys, we are back from B&Q. We picked up a angled keyless chuck. We're gonna need this and some spring washers to keep the old nuts and bolts on, hopefully. Yeah, so let's unpack and hopefully it fits and works. Because then, if it doesn't, then
Just wasted £23.
was it 20? I better not open it, like rip it open.
Yeah, man. In case you need to return it.
No, I don't think we should return it. I'm sure this will come in handy with some other projects.
Why not, bro? Why not?
Struggling to. Oh no. It's just. I better not open it, like rip it open.
Yeah, man.
No. It's just.
I mean, it wasn't too bad.
It doesn't look too bad. I think it'll fit.
But actually, it looks overkill. I don't know. Okay, I'll just leave that stuff to him. Duh.
That's better. So we needed this, so I'll show you why we needed it, because we couldn't drill the holes, and yeah, not scuffed at all. We couldn't even get the drilling actually. Oh. So let's drill another hole. How are we going to do this one? Fail.
Wow. What do you have to say for yourself? Does it actually not work?
No, bro, it doesn't. It won't. It'll go in such an angle. Oh, dude, I might be able to. Yeah, might be able to. That one, but then I've got another one here.
Mate. Send it.
I don't know, bro. I don't feel comfortable. I don't want to go.
Mate.
Maybe we should have done like a smaller one. Just a quiet one. Dude, how much is your bumper if you bought one new?
Let's go in the 200s, I guess.
Okay, let's not go all the way through the other side then.
Wow.
Can you hold that?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks. I don't want to like.
Oh my god.
It's okay. I don't think I'm going to be able to get.
Fully?
Well, it's going at such an angle. It's going to go past.
Back to the drawing board.
Why do they make it so big? Why don't they just make it like smaller and smaller? Why does it have to be so big?
I guess to adjust for every single other bit, I don't know.
I don't understand why it's so big. That's what she says. We just went for it and just put the free hole. And it doesn't fit. Why does it not fit? Exactly the same. What have we done? Yeah. All my days.
Bro, where is it?
Is that what she says to you, is it?
Wow. That's what she says to you, mate.
No, it's right there, literally. They're not long enough, bro. Not long enough. Okay, guys, don't judge, okay? There's no judging going here. We do what we have to do.
Move your hand, man.
I'm trying to do it up, bro.
Go on, bro.
We do what we have to do, guys. This involves in bolting up an aftermarket diffuser. And yeah. Ah, dude, holds on there. We've done this one here, so we've just done this one. You guys just seen that one. That was a terrible.
That was a struggle, wasn't it?
That was a bit of a struggle. New's idea was it to buy an aftermarket.
You thought that? Oh, that was my idea, but
Okay,
you know,
no, sorry.
no, that was my idea.
If
Still.
you didn't have this, if you go and buy this, yeah. If you didn't say let's go and buy one of these, how would you have done it?
You said zip tie, so I said this is.
But you still got to make a hole. You still drill holes.
Okay, we didn't think about that.
But I suppose we could have took it off, drilled the holes, and then.
No, what was the other option? I said we had
Self tappets.
Nah, but you need to still drill holes in it.
I know, but you
Oh,
put the
gun,
extension.
glue gun. That was it.
You are not glue gunning on there. Do not ever glue gun.
That was him suggesting everything, yeah?
No,
not
not
me.
glue gun. Thank you. No.
Of course it
No,
was.
Evo stick. Yeah.
Yeah,
You
so
can put that on there, but you just won't ever get it back off again.
Yeah, okay.
It's proper good stuff. So now back to this lovely bit here. Can I go down there? This set thing, isn't it?
Yeah, that's how much you need.
Next one.
Still.
guys, now it's on. It's bolted on.
Oh, that looks
Man,
nice. Of course, man. Even the gaps are looking nice. Yeah, man.
Yeah, so the side gap should close up when the bumper's on.
Yeah.
Obviously, it should pull in.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is what we have to do. Down here. So we've bolted it here all along. So these ones we couldn't do because there was no
Actual
taps.
Yeah.
Is it a tap?
Tab.
Tag on here
Yeah.
to go through, so we couldn't do that one or that one. It was a bit of a shame, but
I mean, you made it work, so.
yeah, man. So I reckon now we should fit it on the car. So we'll
Yeah.
get the car back in and then we fit it on.
That's
And
it.
see what it looks like afterwards.
Cool.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Let's go.
So guys, now it's on, as you can see. It's looking pretty good actually. Yeah, so Abby, do you wanna
Yeah, man. Yeah, get closer.
let's get closer, man? So as you can see, one side has got an exhaust and the other side, when he scoops over, he doesn't.
It's because next video is gonna be.
Exhaust time. So yeah, so we're gonna be fitting it here or somewhere else. We're not sure yet. But yeah.
Yeah, depending on of the COVID situation next week.
Yeah, that's it.
So-
That's true.
Yeah.
So guys, as you can see, it is on and fitted. It's a nice snug fit. So we're going to leave it there for today and then hopefully see you in the next one. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe down the bottom somewhere around there. And yeah, thanks for watching.
See you guys next time.